Before boats were designed on paper, a builder would carve a half-hull model of the boat and work on it until he was happy with the shape. Then he would use the measurements scaled up from the model to build the boat. These days we're more likely to do it the other way round. The hull shapes can often be found on paper plans and a model made from these. The boat I'll be doing here is Commonwealth, an Australian 10-footer built in 1906 by Norman Wright Sr. in Brisbane and replicated by Robert Tian and Graham Ferguson in 1993. The plans have a series of parallel waterlines and will mark these shapes onto lifts of timber, generally of alternating species for contrast, in this case Australian cedar, a reddish coloured timber, and King William pine, King Billy, a light brown timber. We simply use a nail to prick through the marked waterlines to get the shape of each lift on the timber and then join up the dots. The lifts are best cut out on a bandsaw, but a jigsaw would do it also. The separate lifts are assembled dry to check that everything is right. Then trimmed back to the line carefully on a disc sander, but this could also be done by planes and spoke shaves. Glue is applied, in this case PVA, then the lifts are clamped together. Once the glue is dry, the clamps are removed and the shape of the shear line, the top of the hull, is plotted out, as well as the profile of the bottom of the hull. These are cut out on a bandsaw and planed back to the line. A block of wood is screwed to the back of the model so it can be clamped in a vise to work on. The steps of the hull lifts are removed with chisels, gouges, planes, and spoke shaves, rasps, and then hand sanded. Once sanded, a primer coat is applied. A backboard is made up and the model is fitted to it. Then the first of several coats of varnish is applied. And we have another trophy for the Australian Historical Sailing Skiff Association.